This is the Motorola Moto E6S, and today we would like to demonstrate that you can set up and use the nearby share function on this device. So the first step is to make sure that the Wi-Fi, mobile network and Bluetooth are enabled. So here is the Wi-Fi, here is the Bluetooth and mobile data. So if you can, of course, enable all of them. Next, try to find the shortcut for the nearby share over here. If it is not present, just open the the shortcuts layout editing menu, find the nearby share, here it is, and drag it to the list of shortcuts that are in use. I have it myself. Now touch and hold on to it, then switch on this toggle to turn it on. Here you can rename the device if needed. I'll rename it to HardReset Moto. Then change the device visibility mode. You can either make your device invisible at all, or make it visible to only the devices that are yours, or to only the people who is in your contacts list, or to anybody who is in range. That's the option that I'll opt for myself. And the final thing that you can change is the data mode that will be used for the files transfer. In my case, it's set to data, which means that Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, and mobile data can be used. So now I'll try to receive something through this option, through this function. So I happen to have this Oppo on me already. So now I will open the gallery on this device, photos. Here is, let's say I'll try to send this screenshot. So share through the nearby share, whatever. Now I'll wait until my motor gets recognized. Here it is. Then tap on it. Then accept the transfer on the receiver's end. And as you can see, the photo is being transferred at the moment. Here it is. So great success. That's how you can set up and start using the nearby share on this device. Alrighty, so that would be it. Thanks for watching and bye bye.